everybody, I'm Ashley from Epoch Salon, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to beach wave your hair. I went ahead and curled the bottom section of my hair already just to speed things along. What you'd like to do is usually use like a dry texture spray. I prefer it over a hairspray just because it gives you more movement and that kind of lived-in feel. So go ahead and make sure you spray that all through your hair before you begin, section top to bottom. Once you get through the bottom section, you're going to break into the top. And this is actually how you do the curl. You want to pick out a 1-inch section of your hair. Keep that, make sure you're combed through. Grab your iron using about either a 1-inch to a 1 3/4, depending on the size. The smaller the barrel, the tighter the curl. Keep the iron vertical, keep the clamp facing you, go about halfway down, roll the barrel in towards your head, come down again, leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches out, roll the barrel back up, and then you're going to drop the barrel vertically, release some of the tension, and just comb through the end. Let the curl sit as it cools down. That way you can kind of retain the shape for a longer lasting curl. And then you can go head through and just work your way through the rest of the top, section by section. Now that we've finished doing all the curling and our hair sat and cooled for a couple minutes, you just want to start running your fingers through and shake it out. You can do this as much as you want, but now that you have the dry texture, and that'll help hold it, and then you are good to go.